Today we're working on a '03 Buick Rendezvous. We're changing out the purge valve. This is what it looks like. It was located down in there. And I'll show you how these cords are connected. This cord went in here. This hose went on the middle one. And the back adapter piece looks like that. Those are the 3 connections you got to disconnect. With these, you got to press the tabs in and then slide it out. We got our new one right here. Let's match it up to the old one, make sure it's the same. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. So we're gonna have to swap that blue clip over to this one.